Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So now in this video tutorial we will work on our forgot password option on the login page. So for that what we need to do is to create a new file and save this file in the social network folder and name this as forgot underscore password.php. So we will copy all of the code from the home.php file and just paste it over here. We will remove this divs, this PHP codes, this echo first name, and we will change this to forgotten password, and we will remove this link and all of this session and this PHP codes. Okay, so now inside this row div we will open up another div, and the div class will be col-sm-12, and inside this div we will open up another div, and the div class will be well. Inside this div we will open up a central tag and then an h1 tag, and we will give a style to this h1 tag, and the style will be, first we will give it a color will be white, and after that inside this h1 tag we will open up a strong tag, and then we will type coding cafe, and after this row div we will open up another row div, so its class will be row, and then open up a div and give it a class, and class will be col-sm-12. Inside this div we will open up another div, and the div class will be main-content, and then open up another div, and this time the div class will be header, and inside this header we will open up a h3 tag, and then we will give this h3 tag a style, and then text align will be center, and inside this h3 tag we will open up a strong tag, and then we will type forgot password, and then we will add an hr, and after this header div we will open up a div, and the div class will be l underscore pass, and inside this div we will first open up a forum, and the forum action will be null, and method will be post, and that's it. And inside this forum tag we will open up a div, and the div class will be input hyphen group, and then we will open up a span tag, close that span tag, and then its class will be input hyphen group hyphen add-on. Yes, and then we will open up an I tag and its class will be, so this is a icon, okay, user type icon. And after this span tag we will create an input type, and the type will be text. Its name will be, change its type to email, name to email, placeholder will be enter your email, and then required, and over here we will give it an id will be email, and that's it. So over here we will add a br and then hr, then we will open up a pre tag, and its class will be text, and then we will type enter your friend name down below. And after this pre tag we will open up a div, and the div class will be input group, and then we will open up a span tag, or we can just copy this span tag from there and just paste it over here, and we will change this to pencil, and then we will open up input type, and type will be text, class will be form hyphen control, and then placeholder will be someone, name will be recovery underscore account, and then required, and its id will be msg, and then we will add a br tag over here, that's it. And then over here we will add a href tag, href will be signin.php, and then back to sign in, and then add a br tag, and inside this href tag what we will do, style will be equals to text, text decoration will be none, float will be on the right side, and color will be hashtag 187 fab, and after this we will type data hyphen toggle will be tooltip, and then title will be sign in, and after this we will open up a center tag, Inside this center tag we will open up a button, and this button ID will be sign up, and then class will be btn-info, and then btn-lg, and then name will be submit, and then we will type submit. So now we will submit this form. So after this closing HTML tag, over here we will just first just copy this code from the login.php file and just paste it down below, and change the button name to submit, because the button name is submit. And then if the submit button is clicked, then we will take the email, and then that recovery account, that best friend name. So for that we will create a variable recovery underscore account, and it will be equals to html entities, and then mysqli underscore real underscore escape underscore string. Remove this s, escape, and then we will pass the connection variable, and then dollar underscore post, and then recovery underscore, and then the query will be select all from users, where user underscore email will be equals to dollar email, and we will change this password to recovery underscore account will be equals to dollar recovery underscore account, and then we will remove this and we will add that double quotes. So after this, the variable name is query and mysqli underscore query, and then connection select, and check underscore u mysqli num rows dollar query, and if check underscore user is equal to 1, then we will start the session on the email, and we will send them to the change underscore password password.php. We will create this file in this video, okay, so don't worry. And if it is not correct, then we will just simply set that your email or best friend name is incorrect, and that's it, is incorrect, and that's it. So let's just check our forgot underscore password.php file. If we refresh our page and click on this forgot underscore password, okay, so we didn't design this, so let's just first design this, and then we will work on our change underscore password.php file. So after this head, we will open up a style tag, and inside the style tag we will type body, and its overflow hyphen x will be hidden, and then we will design the main content div. I think it's hyphen content, yes, and then so its width will be 50%, height and margin, background color, padding, border. And after this main content we will design the header div. So for that we will type border and margin, so we will change this to HADER, header, and after this header we will design the well div. For that we will just type background color will be 187 and then FAB, and that's it. And then the sign up, so sign up, and then its width will be 60% and border radius will be 30 px. This is our sign up button, and I think that's it. So now if we just refresh our page, here is our sign up form. If we just press Ctrl Shift and R, okay, it still didn't work. This email input is not working. Let me just check. So we need to give this int a class, and its class will be form hyphen control, and that's it. If you just refresh our page, here is our beautiful forgotten password form. So now let's just check this out. My email is Salishev and my best friend name is Masad, and if I just click on submit, okay, so we got some errors on line 78. Recovery account, HTML entities, recovery underscore account. So remove this 20 from there. It's recovery underscore account. And let's just refresh our page and then just give my data again. If I click on submit, your email best friend name is incorrect. Okay, undefined int as 78. So the one error is now gone, and if I just check my line 78, so we need to add a y over there because it's recovery underscore account. And now if we just refresh our page, my best friend name is Masad, and if I just click on submit, here is our change underscore password.php file. So now let's just make this change underscore password file real quick, and we will save this in the social network folder, change underscore password.php. Click save. So now for this we need to copy all of the code from the forgotten password and just paste it over here, and remove this PHP code. And the next thing we will remove is this pre tag and this HR tag, and change this to change your password, and the next one will be to change this to lock, and this one will be the password, then type will be also password, and its ID will be password, and placeholder will be enter your, not enter your, we will just say new password, and change this name to only pass. Okay, and I think the password is good to go. And after this we will change this to lock, and placeholder will be enter new password. and its ID will be also password. Type will be password. Name will be pass1, and it will be required, and that's it. And after this we will remove this a herf, just a center tag and a button, and the button name will be ID will be sign up. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so and its class will be btn minus info btn lg. This time this name will be change. Okay, so and this submit will be changed to change password, and that's it. And now we will, and we already designed it, so we don't need to worry about that. So after this html ending tag, we will just copy this if condition, or we need to just type it from the start. Okay, so we will open up a php tag, and if I set then dollar underscore post, and then we will change if the button name is changed. Okay, so if that button is clicked, then what we need to do is to first take both of the password dollar pass, and then just copy this html entities. html entity is mysql and dollar post, and change this to pass. Okay, and after this we will just copy this again and paste it down below, and change this to pass 1, and the variable name will be also pass 1. And after this we will add an if condition. If dollar pass is equals to dollar pass 1, then what we will do is to change the user password. So for that, first we need to do a if condition, if strlen, and then dollar pass is greater than or equals to 6, and strlen dollar pass 1, I think, no, dollar pass is less than or equals to 60. Oh, okay, then what we will do is to update the password. So for that we will type update, create update variable, and then update the users table, set user underscore pass to the variable dollar pass, where user underscore id will be equals to dollar user underscore id. And after this we will create a variable run, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore query. Then we will pass the connection variable and the update variable, and then we will say echo out that your password is changed a moment ago, and then we will redirect them to the home.php file. Okay, and after this if condition we will add an else condition. Else what we will do is to echo out an alert, and in this alert we will just type that your password should be greater than 6 words. Okay, and after this else condition we will add another else, and inside this else we will type, just copy that and paste it down below and change this to your password did not match. This else condition is for this password checking. Okay, this if condition, and then we will redirect them to the change underscore password.php file, and our change underscore password.php file is now completed. If we refresh our page, we got an error, unexpected else edit free. So we don't need to end this else condition over here, we need to end it after this else condition. Okay, over here, and that's it, and I already refreshed the page, so our page is now working. Okay, so now if we just let me just show you my current password is this. Okay, from 1 to 9, and now we will change it to ALISHER, and if we just click on first, let's just add a wrong password. Okay, your password should be greater than 6 words. Okay, here we go on line 69. So the reason we get that error is we didn't start the session on the change underscore password.php file, and we didn't include the connection.php file. So for that, if we go to our home.php and just copy this whole code, and if we paste it over here and include the connection.php file and then user underscore email index.php. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now if we just refresh our page, if we just go back to this page, and if I just enter my email and my best friend name and then click submit, now I will change my password. First I will add a wrong password. Okay, your password didn't match. Okay, and now I will change my password to, let's just say, coding cafe. Change password. Your password is changed a moment ago. Okay, and we are redirected to the home.php file. If I just refresh my page, what is happening? My password didn't change. If we just log out, let's just give it a test again. We will change this to coding cafe. Your okay, and defined user underscore ID. User underscore ID. On which line? Oh, 82. So I just solved the error. If we just take the user ID from the database using this session user email, then we will be able to change the password. So I already code, so I will just paste it over here. And the user variable is equals to dollar underscore session, then user underscore email. Select all from the user's table where user underscore email will be equals to dollar user variable, and then we just pass that two variables over here, and then we just add a fetch array and pass the run underscore user, and then we create a user underscore id variable which will be equals to the user id in the database, and then we just set that to update user set user underscore password to dollar pass, where user underscore id will be equals to the variable, this variable user underscore id. So now if we just save this and refresh our page, and if we just enter our email and best friend name, click on submit, and then my new password will be Alishare, and if we just click change password, your password is changed a moment ago. Okay, redirect us to the home.php file, and now my password is changed to a Alishare. Okay, so now whole of our project is completed, and I think this would be the last video tutorial for this project. Okay, we completed the messaging system, the my post Reddit account, find people, the home page, or you can say the newsfeed, and the profile.php file. Okay, so this is the last video tutorial for this social network, and soon we will start our messenger app in PHP. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and subscribe our channel Coding Cafe.